Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency with a comparison of two of the most popular wallets, Coinbase Wallet versus MetaMask. Both are widely used, but which one is the best for 2025? Let's break it down. First up, we have Coinbase Wallet. This is a non-custodial wallet developed by Coinbase, a giant in the crypto world. The Coinbase Wallet allows users to store a variety of digital assets like cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and digital collectibles. One of its biggest advantages is its seamless integration with the Coinbase exchange, which makes it easy for users to buy, sell, and manage their assets all in one place. The wallet is also user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners. It supports multiple blockchains like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana, giving you flexibility in terms of the types of assets you can store. Additionally, Coinbase Wallet offers decentralized app dApp support, meaning you can interact with decentralized finance DeFi apps directly from the wallet. Next, let's talk about MetaMask. MetaMask is one of the most popular crypto wallets and is widely used by those engaging with Ethereum-based assets, DeFi applications, and NFTs. What sets MetaMask apart is its browser extension, which allows users to easily access dApps and decentralized exchanges, DEXs. It's highly customizable and supports Ethereum and other EVM-compatible blockchains like Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, and Polygon. MetaMask's security features are top-notch, offering options like hardware wallet integration and seed phrase backup. It's a great choice for anyone deeply involved in the Ethereum ecosystem or looking to explore Web3. So, how do these two stack up against each other? Coinbase Wallet is great for beginners or anyone looking for an easy-to-use wallet that integrates well with the Coinbase exchange. It's a fantastic option for users who want to store multiple types of digital assets, including NFTs, with easy access to DeFi apps. MetaMask is the go-to wallet for Ethereum enthusiasts and DeFi users. It's perfect for advanced users who want more control over their assets, especially if you're dealing with Ethereum-based tokens, NFTs, or Web3 apps. Its browser extension is a game changer for those who interact regularly with dApps. In the end, both wallets have their strengths. If you're new to crypto or need a wallet that connects easily with exchanges and supports a wide range of assets, Coinbase Wallet is a solid choice. But if you're heavily involved in the Ethereum ecosystem or looking for a wallet with advanced dApp functionality, MetaMask is probably the better fit. That's it for today's comparison. Which wallet do you use, or which one do you think is better for 2025? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto content and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.